So several people have watched my YouTube videos and asked me about these Scotch Brite wheels. And I bought them on Amazon, and they're not cheap. I just bought this one. I bought this one originally in February of 2021, and here it is January 2024, and I need to replace it. Now, I did damage it a lot by turning knife blades the wrong way, and it catches and tears the wheel up. But this is about had it. I'm not going to get rid of it. I'm going to put it on another machine because it is still good. It's just too small now to do knives fast and efficient. This is, I believe, either an 80 grit or 100 grit. I can't remember. I'll put it in the description. But these are $90 a piece. They're not cheap, but they're well worth it. Cleaning up dirty knives and shears and just about anything that's rusty. It's not as aggressive as a wire wheel such as that. I do have a wire wheel, and I have a cotton buffing wheel on my buffer. But man, I use this thing almost every day for something. It's a great tool to have in your sharpening shop. So anyway, that's what it is. That's what these wheels are. So here's the difference in the size of the wheels. You can see I've really eaten the heck out of these. These are 6-inch wheels, and this one's got less than an inch on each side, so it's much smaller. But I'm not going to get rid of it. I'm going to put it on something else and use it. I think I can still salvage some life out of it to clean up some different parts. So I got the new wheel on there. It's ready to go. You can see how much softer it is of this one. So that's it. That's how it works. It's great at cleaning up parts, getting rust off of things. It's well worth the $90. I'll tell you that right now.